Automation isn't a new concept. From the first industrial revolution, where machines took over manual labor, to today's AI-driven systems, technology has always played a pivotal role in shaping the workforce. But today's advancements are different, faster, smarter, and more capable than ever before. Visuals. A timeline showing the progression from basic machines to AI and robotics. Robots are no longer confined to factories. They're in our supermarkets, our homes, and even our hospitals. But what does this mean for the millions of jobs currently held by humans? Jobs at risk. Certain jobs are more susceptible to automation than others. Repetitive tasks, data entry, and roles in manufacturing are already seeing a shift from human workers to machines. For example, self-driving vehicles could one day replace delivery drivers, and AI could handle customer service roles, reducing the need for human workers in these areas. The human advantage, however, not all jobs are equally vulnerable. Robots and AI are incredibly efficient, but they lack the human touch. Creativity, critical thinking, emotional intelligence. These are areas where humans still have the upper hand. Jobs that require innovation, leadership, and interpersonal skills are much harder to automate. While robots might assist, the need for human oversight and creativity remains strong. The future of work. The future of work is likely to be one of collaboration rather than competition. Rather than replacing humans, robots and AI could augment our abilities, taking over mundane tasks and allowing us to focus on more meaningful work. New technologies often create new opportunities. Just as the internet gave rise to entire industries, AI and robotics are expected to create jobs we haven't even imagined yet. But this shift requires us to adapt, learn new skills, and embrace lifelong education. Adapting to change. To thrive in the future, workers will need to adapt. This means reskilling and upskilling, taking advantage of educational resources to stay relevant in a rapidly changing job market. Governments and businesses will also play a crucial role, providing the necessary support and training to ensure that workers aren't left behind in the wake of automation. The balance of man and machine. So, will robots take our jobs? The answer is nuanced. While some jobs may disappear, others will evolve, and entirely new ones will emerge. The key is to adapt, embrace change, and prepare for a future where humans and robots work side by side, each playing to their strengths. Thanks for watching. What do you think about the future of work? Are you excited or worried? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos exploring the intersection of technology and society.